Hi guys, still your boy Sensible. I come again. Today's teaching, I'm going to teach you how you can back up your seed phrases in SAFEPAL. Okay, how you can back up your seed phrases in SAFEPAL. In case you created an account and you do not back it up and you don't know how to get your seed phrases, this video is for you. Okay. Like you created the account already, you do not back it up and you want to back it up. If you don't back up your wallet, the monies inside the account if you lose your phone or the app, you will not be able to gain access to that funds in the wallet. Okay, so this video is for you to learn how to back up your SafePal account. Okay, let's go. So now after you created the account, okay, after you created the account, what you just do is click at the top here. You see at the top here where I'm circling, click at the top there. This is what will come. Okay, when this page comes, click on these three dots over here. Okay, click on these three dots line over here. So this is the page that will also come. Okay, so now you see backup over here. Just click on it. When you click on it, it will ask you to back up to Google Drive and then back up manually. You have to do the two, back it up with the two. Okay, so let's say if you want to back it up manually, you just click on this thread line here. Okay, you click on it, they will ask you all these questions, you tick them all. Okay, so immediately you click on I understood, your seed phrases will appear. Okay, so when you click on it, they will ask you to put your password. When you put your password, you click on this three dots line and then you mark this in, and you click on understood. They will ask you to put in your password. When you put in your password, then you see your seed phrases. Write them down somewhere. Okay. After that, you come to the Google backup. That one, when you just click on the backup to connect to your Gmail and ask you to back it up. So that's how to back up your SafePal wallet. Thank you. You can follow me for more tutorials.